mo sa lahat ng tao, in about 7 minutes, we're going na to the other room, okay? Thank you, Kohas.
7 minutes.
Huwag kang ganyan.
Because it's just, I'm trying to forget about it, but then, kasi I don't want to be negative.
No, it's not a matter of being negative. What is important is you be yourself. Okay? And whatever is the problem, kaya nga problema.
It's the problem with me, sir. I can't hide emotions if I'm
Well, that's better. That's better. It's better than being a fucking hypocrite.
Yeah, exactly. It's hard.
I know, that's my basic problem too. When I like somebody, I like somebody. When I don't like somebody, I think it's such an effort to try to be nice to somebody you don't like.
Me also.
So you just simply avoid. Excuse-moi. I mean, people must have so much money to send you such stupid text messages which have absolutely no bearing to your soul. It's either that or it's the bane and burden of unlimited text. People feel compelled that they have to send you all sorts of...
Really, sir, after the first primer came up, I was getting random messages from numbers I didn't know. It's hilarious. Like there's one time, someone texted me because what made it so funny was it's so random. Like, you know when you get a message and then it's not in your phone book, it's just numbers, diba? And then the joke was like, it's yung, the one with the semicolons pa, salesman, pumasok sa bahay ng babae. Tinapon ang isang sako ng tae ng kabayo sa sahig. Ma'am, pag hindi ho nalinis ng vacuum cleaner na ito, ang lahat ng taeng ito, kakainin ko po lahat. and then ma'am, aba putang ina, kainin mo diyan dahil not dito. And then, it's so funny because it's so random.
Oh God!
I was laughing my ass off. I was like, who the hell is this sending me messages?
I changed mine because, God, somebody got a hold of my number and people keep texting me all sorts of kailangan ko ng trabaho, gusto ko mag-artista. Utang na loob. Something I cannot handle.
God, I was getting all these quotes and stuff. I was like, who are you?
Are you okay bang? Iñaki, are you okay?
In what sense?
In everything. Are you okay? Are you ready for Saturday?
Yeah, sir. It's just... Basta, I'll tell you later, sir.
Okay. Again. You need all the stamina. You need all that you can give on Saturday.
Definitely. So
and just look at it this way. Whatever happens is whatever happens.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. That's why nga me, I chose a song that's To Where You Are, Josh Groban.
No, and it's not that. It's whatever happens is you eventually have to learn to do what you think is best for you. Kasi kung minsan naman may mga nangyayari sa atin na, especially, take it from me, maraming nangyayari sa buhay ng tao na hindi yun ang inaasahan mo. And pag nangyari pala yun, dahil may iba na dapat mong, malay mo, you'll be the first singing chef, di ba?
It's actually a dream, I can have like a show.
Ilan ba kayo magkakapatid?
Just 2.
Ikaw ang contestant number?
1.
And yung kapatid mo is how old?
6 years younger. He turned 13, June 21.
Okay.
Today.
Okay lang yan. Hello, little Christian.
Happy?
Yeah. Is that what you were wearing?
Yes! Because the shoes don't go with this.
Okay lang yan. Hindi mo nakukuha yung shoes sa camera.
Reason. I look like a girl.
What do you want to look like?
Right, you have difficulties with that?
Oh my God.
Yeah, a bit. Sometimes.
Yeah, and I want to look like a boy.
Meron ako mag-jiu-jitsu?
Okay lang. It's time for class.
Okay! Let's go!
Or there could be a fire.
It's either that or